Good morning, how you doing? I am Chris Thompson, got the kids off to school, and now we are Hagerstown bound. Why? Because one of my bird dogs found a fourplex. We're going to take a look at it, and we've already verbally negotiated the contract. We're taking it over subto. Boom. See you there. We're here to go take a look at this place. Got my coffee. There's my partner right there. There she is. Going to take a look at that thing right there. See you inside. One, rendering it. See anything. Excuse me, puppy. How do you like that hydroponic system? I've been I've been contemplating on doing that in my garage. Number two.
I just put a thing easy, but I'm just asking because they put in there, man. I don't know why. They put them full. They gave me all new windows, the screen door. I don't even have the screen door in the back. No, you put the thing out.
Okay.
That's not nice.
Looks like they redid this.
Yeah, definitely some updates on here. All right, so well, hey, I appreciate your time. She's gonna finish up looking. So when you go to look at the attic, and there's a couple of dead birds. Oh, you're good. Who knows? Nothing look bad up here. And the roof is definitely newer, and it's been patched and stuff, which is good. We have 4 bathroom. So they need some paint, but not saying that everything's good. Toilet was just fixed. Access to the fire escape and deck. Okay. And I believe this window is broken. So down in the basement, we got an old water tank, old window. This is an old boiler system, not attached, but still here. A lot of the plumbing has been updated with PVC. There's the main water line coming in. Old oil tank. And just storage here, and more stuff there. We got 2 water tanks, one for upstairs, one for downstairs. All right, so we got wood siding. Overall in decent shape. Definitely looking to wrap it later. We got a lot of wood rot here, a lot of wood rot there. Back of the building. And we got some raw wood. Definitely need the paint job. 4-car garage in the back. That tree needs to be trimmed back a good bit, just to be able to clean the roof.